I'm Anil Kumar, and from the basic concepts of area, we'll find the length of sides of the square. The question here is, as you know, the length of the sides in a square is the square root of the number of square units in the area. That is to say that in first case we are having area of 100, right? So if area is 100, then the length of each side is square root of 100. Each side is square root of 100. Let's read the sentence again. The length of sides in a square is the square root of the number of square units in the areas. Find the square root of each of the following. So we are given areas which are 100, 25 and 16. We need to find the square root of these. Once you find the square root of these, you actually get length of the sides of the square. It's kind of like this, right? So to find square root of 100, what do? We find a number which when multiplied to itself gives you 100. The number is 10. So we get 10 times 10 equals to 100, and therefore square root of 100 is equal to 10. Similarly, we can find square root of 25. So the question is, find square root of each of the following. Let us find square root of 25. Square root is a symbol like this. So square root of 25 is equals to, we can write 25 as 5 times 5. And the square root of this will be the number 5. Correct? Now we need to find square root of 16. That's the last question. Another way is trial and error. We could say, what is 4 times 4? 4 times 4 is 16, and therefore square root of 16 is equals to 4. So these are different ways of finding square root of a number. So you go through this video, try to understand how we found the square root. And the very basic concept is that length of the sides of a square is square root of the number of square units in the square. To find the square root, what we should do is, we can adopt one of these methods. If you are finding, for example, here, the square root of a number, you can also figure out how to find factors of the number, two similar factors, one of them gets out of the square root. Or you can find two numbers which are same, and when multiplied give you the number required. In that case, that number is the square root. So these are different ways of finding square root of a number. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.